Want to know how to restore iPad without iTunes? Check this video. Coolmaster iOS Eraser is a professional app to restore iPad without iTunes. On your computer, launch Coolmaster iOS Eraser after installation, and you will see the primary interface as below. Connect your iPad to computer via USB cable. Unlock your iPad and tap Trust option on your iPad when Trust this computer window pops up. Next, click Continue on this program to move on. Then, the program will automatically detect your device. Click the Erase button from the main interface. Choose the security level for erasing. Tap OK. Type Delete into the blank. Click Erase button below. Hit OK to confirm your choice. After that, the program will start restoring your iPad, and then your iPad will automatically reboot when the erasing process is complete. When your iPad reboots, unlock your device and click Try again on this program to reconnect your iPad. Finally, the program will continue to overwrite your iPad data. When the whole process is over, your iPad will be completely clean. You can also restore iPad without iTunes for free with iCloud. On your iPad, go to Settings, your Apple ID, iCloud, find My iPad and turn it on. Visit iCloud homepage on your computer and sign in with the same Apple ID and password. Click Find My iPad section, tap All devices on the top of the screen, select the iPad you need to restore, hit Erase iPad, confirm your choice. Finally, if you are now able to access your iPad, you can also restore iPad without iTunes for free from its settings panel. Click Settings on your iPad, scroll down to select General, tap Erase all content and settings. If your iPad has a password, then a pop-up window will appear and ask you to enter the password or Apple ID. After that, it will start to restore your iPad to its factory settings. Once finished, your iPad will restart automatically in several minutes. You can set up your iPad as a new one.